Kia Seltos comes with a new design and upgraded set of features. We got a first-hand experience of the car. So stay tuned with us and we'll bring you all the details you want to know. The Kia Seltos received a facelift in India recently and it is available in 3 variants: X-Line, GT Line and Tech Line. This car is equipped with a host of upgrades to its exterior and interior features, including lots of new tech. There's the Dual-Pane panoramic roof, ADAS, a 360-degree camera setup and much more. As a mid-sized SUV, the Seltos is well suited for driving both in the city and on the highway. I got a chance to drive the Seltos facelift from Nagpur to the Pench Tiger Reserve in MP to give you a first-hand experience. I chose the new pewter olive color for the drive and set out on my journey. The other colors that this car is available in are Imperial Blue, Intense Red, Glacier White Pearl, Clear White, Gravity Grey, Aurora Black Pearl, Sparkling Silver, the Dual-Tone Glacier White Pearl and Aurora Black Pearl, and finally the Dual-Tone Intense Red and Aurora Black Pearl. The X-Line is also available in an exclusive matte graphite color. Well, that's too many options to choose from. The exterior and interior design of the car gives it a bold and robust look. This mid-size SUV has dual 10.25-inch displays, one for the touchscreen infotainment system and the other for its fully digital instrument cluster. It has dual-zone fully automatic climate control air conditioning. The dual-pane panoramic sunroof can be voice controlled and makes this SUV look stylish. In fact, voice commands can be used to control various functions, including navigation and even opening and closing the windows. The Seltos responds to not just English but 19 Hinglish voice commands covering key functions of the car. The Kia Seltos is available with one of 3 different engines, each with different transmission options. The 1.5-litre turbo petrol engine option, which I drove, offers 158 bhp and 253 Nm of torque and is mated to an optional DCT automatic gearbox. In terms of safety, the Seltos comes with ADAS Level 2 with 17 autonomous driving features including front collision warning, smart cruise control with stop and go and more. It uses its camera system to detect obstacles and alert the driver, and in some cases even acts autonomously to prevent accidents without driver input. We got a demo of the 2 ADAS features in controlled conditions: exit safety and rear cross traffic collision avoidance assist. While these features might seem overwhelming when you try them for the first time, they do promise enhanced safety. Apart from these, the car also comes with 6 airbags, all-wheel disc brakes, rear parking sensors, a surround view mirror, rain-sensing wipers and more. Despite its size, the new Seltos does not feel bulky while driving on city roads or the highway. Though I did feel slight turbo lag when flooring the accelerator, the car was easy to handle during lane changes and throttle variations, even on hilly terrain. When driving at approximately 70 to 80 km per hour on the highway in 7th gear, it was at its best, offering a smooth ride with low revs for decent fuel efficiency. The Kia Seltos 2023 comes at ex-showroom prices starting from Rs 10.90 lakh, going up to Rs 19.99 lakh in India, depending on the variant you choose. So that was our first impressions of the new Kia Seltos. Hope you enjoyed the video as much as we enjoyed the drive. Stay tuned to Gadgets 360 for all things tech.